Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's see what we could get at the beginning of the next week on the euro currency. In fact, on the daily time frame, the situation is the same. All the major components of our expectation in the short-term perspective we have discussed previously. So in fact, on the daily time frame, we have nice bearish short-term setup that is based mostly on the failure breakout of the flag pattern. I do not have it on this chart, but here was initially the flag pattern. And that was the failure breakout, that also known as the bullish trap, when the market shows the logical continuation that has been expected by the participants, as the flag is the continuation pattern, but later failed and returns right back inside of its body. That is in general the bearish sentiment, bearish setup from the classical point of view. The second moment that we have is the Napoli double ripple sell pattern. It's the nice thrust up, close below 3x3, close above and creating the new highs, and close below. The minimum target of this pattern is the 50% support of the thrust of the double ripple pattern that stands around 129.75 approximately. Also, I suspect that this pattern also could be treated as the Russian rings of this 3-8 resistance. So you can see market coiling here, fast move up and fast return back. And finally, that looks like the bearish engulfing that hints on the deeper move to the downside, deeper retracement. But I think that it's better to stick with intraday ABCD pattern that is based on this jump up that it looks like now on the as the head and shoulders patterns on the lower time frame. That I think that will be the major pattern that we will stick with in the expectation of the downward retracement. Also, we have some moments on the higher time frames, the weekly time frame in particular, that tells us about potential retracement to the downside. But if you would like to know it, probably better to read this analysis in our weekly thread as usual. So there you understand why the weekly price action also confirms the potential move to the downside. Now on the 4-hour time frame, in fact, we have got the level that we have expected. Recall that we said that since euro currency likes to show the 50% retracements, probably we should be focused on retracement on the 50% from that most recent swing that has happened on Friday. Okay, and from the perspective of this head and shoulders pattern, that looks a bit ugly because you can see this shoulder is much longer in time than this one. If we suggest that market will start move down right now, but in the terms of swings, this pattern looks not bad, because that is 127 extension of that shoulder. This is approximately the same level as here. It's 50% from that swing. Well, also take a look at the compounding of the retracement to the upside. Yesterday we also said that this could be ABCD retracement. That has happened as well. So market has shown a bit next up move here. Just clear out of these highs and turn to the downside. Now we see beyond of this head and shoulders another bearish sentiment, another bearish pattern. That is Napoli bearish dynamic pressure. Because you could see that trend has turned bullish here. Market stands above the red line, that is Napoli MACD predictor. But take a look at the price action. It downward. So market shows the downward move while trend holds bullish. That is obvious dynamic pressure, bearish dynamic pressure, that tells that probably market will continue to move down. If all will be perfect and we will get the development that we expect to see, we should get this ABCD move down. That precisely will be our replacement that we expect now on the daily time frame. And take a look at that target of this ABCD pattern that is based on this head and shoulders, points on the same area as major 618 support, 618 pip support is 129.20 area. and that gives an agreement. In fact, I think that it will be a nice opportunity, nice level to watch for long entry within the fortnight, because I think that this move down probably will take approximately for the week, will last for the week, and the opportunity to step into on the long side of the market we will probably get 2 weeks, within the 2 weeks. So if you have missed the entry point right at the 50% support, in fact you could try to do this with this starting move to the downside. If you will take a look at the 30-minute chart, you'll see that we have in fact 2 patterns. By the way, take a look what the wash and rinse was right here. It was previous highs, market stopped right at this level, but later returns right back and shows these 2 splashes up, moves down. On the 15-minute chart, this pattern looks as a very nice looking the double top pattern. So it's not very simple to analyze the current environment on the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute chart, because it's very difficult to predict whether the market will show the retracement first right at the open and then continue to move down, or it will initially hit the targets of these patterns and only after that returns right back. But whatever will happen, we should keep in mind a couple of things. First of all, market now stands not at the support and not at the result. That's why it hardly will show deep retracement to the upside, only if some surprise news or rumors will appear on the market that change the situation. In all other moments stands equal, market probably will show small retracement. Also, that could happen because euro currency rare shows deep retracements. Usually this is at maximum the 50% retracement of the most recent swing, because euro currency is a good trending market. As downward trend starts, euro usually shows 3.8 or 50% retracement, but only from the most recent swing. So something of that kind. As you can see, thrust down, 3.8 retracement, continuation down. In other circumstances, market could show ABCD to the 50%, but this is not very often. So it means that whatever will happen, and despite how market will will behave in the beginning of the Monday, you should catch the first retracement back up from the most recent swing. So if it will be swing right down, then catch the retracement from this swing. If market will start move from this area, then probably you should be focused on the 3.8 and weekly pivot point. That is approximately the 50% retracement of this most recent swing. The target of this pattern, of this double top and ABCD pattern that now stands in the progress, stands around 130.15 area. So I can't exclude the moment that market will hit it, and after that will show the bounce to the upside. Besides, this level 130.15 stands very close to the neckline. So neckline is around 130 even, since 130.15 is approximately in this area. It's very close to the neckline. So that's been said, and on the coming week we expect the continuation to the downside if all will stand perfect as it was for previous couple of weeks. So market now has accomplished all moments that we have discussed previously and behaves absolutely logical. So if it will stand smooth, then we will get the move to the 129.20 area. Right on Monday, if you have missed entry around 50% resistance on the 4-hour time frame, try to catch the nearest rally on the 30-minute chart and the hourly time frame to sell into, whether it will be from this point to the weekly pivot point, or market will accomplish the next swing down and will show the retracement to the upside.